There's the pileated woodpecker eating the giant willow aphids off of our willows. Those willows have been nothing but awesome. The aphids showed up, then yellow jackets just swarmed like crazy, thousands of them. I think they're parasitic, or maybe they were eating the honey off of them, or not the honey, but the sweet secretion, and there were ants, and then ladybugs showed up later. Now this guy, those willows have been really very cool little ecosystem. I was here before, but I got greedy and I tried opening the window to video him. It was about a month ago. I'm glad he came back. Glad he's eating all those aphids. Woodpeckers being awesome, good allies to trees. You can even see the aphids in the video cam.